guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video I have a crafty haul to share with you guys. We got a little bit of Amazon, Joann's, scrapbook.com, Target, and LDRS creative website. So yeah, let's get on with the haul. First thing I want to show you guys that I'm super excited about, I got this super cute little mermaid from Target. I had seen Solange haul this beautiful mermaid. She gifted it in a swap that she was in a mermaid swap. So I had an opportunity to get like a coupon deal on Google Express, which is like kind of like a quick way to shop, and they are like partnered up with certain amount of stores. So they have like Joann's, Walmart, Target, and they were offering, I think last week or the week before, $15 and you get free ship. You spend $15 and you get free shipping. And then there was a coupon where you can get $10 off. So basically you were getting stuff for free. So this doll is $16.99 in Target website, and I had put her in the cart and some unicorn bags, but I ended up getting an email that the unicorn bags are out of stock. So I ended up getting her for free, you guys. Isn't she adorable? I love her. She's so cute. And I'm just gonna display her in my craft room. And I want to collect the ones that they have in the store, because Solange is always posting them and they are super cute. And I think that I'm gonna like just display them in my room and they'll look super cute, right? I love them. So first off is her. Then you guys, I told you guys on my last haul, if I didn't, I don't remember, but I told you guys about what had happened to me with my order, where I had lost, they had lost my package, and I had purchased the Okie Dokie pad and this little sequence case. So they ended up sending me the order again because the package had gotten lost, but it ended up being in my neighbor's, so I got double the order. And I also ended up getting like a $20 gift card from them because of the whole mistake and stuff, and the guy leaving the package in the wrong place and it like being gone for like 24 hours because my neighbor didn't give it to me for like 24 hours. And yeah, so the second order came in. I ended up filling this one. I filled up the first one that I got, and then I filled up this one. I just have a few more here. These are super cool. They're just like little Tic Tac containers. So now I have 2 of these and 2 of these, which is fine with me because I absolutely love this pad. And next thing I got is I finally got my hands on the Echo Park designer dies, the unicorn die set. I picked this up on Amazon. It's the only place I found it at. It was $16.99 and it's so cute. And you guys, I'm in a unicorn swap and I'm so excited to create so many unicorn mail that I definitely needed this die. So this was the only thing I picked up from Amazon. And then, since we're on the dye process of this video, showing you guys my dyes, not the dye process, like showing you guys a dye, you know what I mean. Tony Craft Purge posted, I'm not even sure, I think like 2 weeks ago, maybe, LDRS creative website was clearancing out a bunch of their dyes. And I had seen it at work, but I had not jumped on to like order. And then like, I think it was earlier this week. Yeah, you guys, I think I ordered it on Monday. I decided to go on the website and check if they still had them on the clearance section, and they still had them, you guys. I'm gonna link down below so you guys can go check them out. But I picked up a bunch of dyes for nearly nothing. They were like $2 a piece. So the first one I got is this one, and they're by Creative Basics, and this is a dotted wings. And that's what they look like. So they're like little stitched butterflies. This one is like a banner, and then you get some single butterflies, and this one like hanging off a bow. But you guys, how pretty are these dyes? They're blue. I love dyes that are like pink and blue. I think they look so cute, and they're like so much better than the silver, right? I just think they look cuter in colors. They should make them more colorful. Isn't that cute? So this is the first one, Dotted Wings. Second one is Fancy Squares and Little Things, and it's an 8-piece die set. Yo, this one doesn't. This was an 8-piece die set, and look, you guys, it's like a little frame set, a button, a heart button. I love these. They're so cute. I cannot wait to play with these. Next one up is this one, which is a 6-piece die set, and it's just some basic stitched flags. How beautiful is that? You can never go wrong with some flags, and these are super pretty, and for like $2 and change, yes please. Then we got some fancy rectangles and layers, and these are perfect for like card making and stuff. Look at that. How cute is that? I love these, and I love the fact that they're all teal blue. And then we got some background builders. This is super cute. Look at that. Isn't that fun? I love these. I cannot wait. I cannot wait. I might even play with these tonight. I love how they look and how I can't wait to see how they cut. And then lastly, I got the cutting edge borders, which I'm super excited about because I wanted these to do Christmas cards with a little snow slope. I've seen those cards a million times, and I got the die now for so cheap. Look at that. That's what that looks like. So you guys, I'm super excited to play with all my dies. You guys should definitely go check them out. Hopefully, I'm not sure if they still have them, but I'll definitely link it down below. And then you guys, I had picked this up from during that deal with the Google Express. I picked up this casing for, it's meant for beads. Solange, handmade by Soso, also hauled this, and I have been, she hauled it this time recently, but she's hauled it before, and I never got around to ordering it. So this time when she hauled it for the second time, I was like, yep, we're gonna pick that up. And then I had the $10 coupon off, so I ended up getting this for like 11 bucks, which is a great deal, and free shipping. So I put some thickers here just to put sequins, just because I like to decorate my stuff. But this is like super cool. I plan on getting another one, and you get some like larger size little containers. These are some cute little like origami stars that were sent to me in some Happy Mail. Then we have like the medium size. Then there's this size. And then like the little itty bitty ones. But you get so many, and it's just a very cute way to store your sequins. I absolutely love it. And then you can like stack them. So I definitely plan to continue to purchase these and keep my sequins in these. And then last but definitely not least, I am super excited about my order from scrapbook.com. You guys, I picked up the Dream Big collection by Simple Stories. As I said before, I am in a unicorn swap, so I definitely wanted to pick this up. And you get, this is a 12 by 12 collection kit. You get 114 pieces. And once this collection comes out digital, I will be picking it up digital as well. But let's go through it. I'm so excited. When I saw this collection, I was like, that is a must have. It is gorgeous. Let's move that over here. So this is the first paper, and I think, yeah, it's called Just Imagine. And it's this beautiful teal blue with all those pretty unicorns. You guys, the quality of the paper is nice. And then the other side is this one, which is, no, it's just, yeah, it's the same name, Just Imagine. I don't know why I thought that the other side would be called a different name, but it's not. It's the Just Imagine. So you get that side, and then this side. And then we have this one, which is beautiful little rainbows in the clouds. This one is called Chase Rainbows, and this is what the other side looks like. And this collection reminds me a lot of the Imagine That by Echo Park. It reminds me a lot of that. Look at this one with the little fairies. This beautiful yellow. This one is called Magic Happens, and it's just like a floral on the opposite side. Then we have this floral, which is called Super Cute. You would think I named it. This one is called, oh, same thing. Duh, Lily, same name. Super Cute. And on the other side it says all these little beautiful words: believe, dream big, adorable, magical. I love the squiggly like writing. So cute. Giggles. I love that. Then we have another floral piece, and this one is called So Adorable. And then the opposite side is this floral with the yellow. Super pretty. This is a must-have, you guys. I'm definitely getting a backup. This one is called Be Meowgical. Oh, how cute is that? I love that title. Be Meowgical. It's like a little catacorn. And then the opposite side are some hearts. Then we have this page, which is Be Unique. And it's just like a rainbow of beautiful colors. And then the opposite side is this one, and it has all these pretty little cartoonies. How cute. I cannot wait to play. And then next paper is Dream Big, and it's another word paper, and it says sparkle, believe, shine, dream. That's what that looks like. And the opposite side is like that teal blue with some white polka dots. Then we have the elements, which are these cute little 2x2s, and this is what you get. These are so fun. You guys, look at that unicorn. Look at this skate. Obsessed with this collection. It is adorable. Then we have the 3x4 elements. When someone told me that I lived in Fantasy Island, I nearly fell off my unicorn. That's so cute. No rain, no rainbow. Dream Big. I like this because you can put like a little note there. Look at the unicorn. You guys definitely have to pick this up. I'm going to link it down below so you guys can click on that and get you some Simple Stories Dream Big. These are the 4x4. So very meowgical. Oh, I didn't even show you guys the other side. This side is like stripes with rainbow. And the 3x4 has kind of like a scalloped edge. Same thing with the rainbow. And then this one has kind of like this picket fence pattern. And that's for the 2x2s. And then the 4x6s. These are perfect to use and like make them shakers. That would be so fun. Laughter is timeless, imagination has no age, and dreams are from forever. Walt Disney. And then look at this one. Always be yourself unless you can be a mermaid. Then always be a mermaid. And then the other side is these cute little stars on this mint green paper. And then the last thing in the collection kit is the cardstock stickers. And how cute are these? You get some little word phrases as well. You guys know what Simple Story collections look like. And some borders. Super fun. I am so excited to play with that. You guys have no idea. Another thing I picked up were the chipboard stickers, and this is what they look like. And you get 37 pieces. I don't think there's any on this. No. They should make them where they do like both sides. And then we got some puffy stickers. You get 49. I think this one is both sides. Yes, it is. And then I also got the 4x6 stickers, and this is 8 sheets of stickers. I'm not gonna take them out, but this is what you get. So you get like a sheet of stickers, you get some word stickers, some phrases, some little squares. These are good like also for planning. More of those little word stickers. So you get a ton in this little packet. And then last but not least, of course, the ephemera pack. I do not know why I only bought one. What was I thinking? But I'm definitely getting some more. And you get 55 pieces. And this is what you get. You see that? But yeah, you guys, that is my whole video. I hope you guys check these sites out, pick up some goodies for yourself. Definitely pick up this Dream Big collection because it is beautiful. These dies are an amazing deal, and be on the lookout for Google Express, because if they offer sometimes those coupons where you can only spend only 15 bucks and get free shipping and like a $10 coupon, you can get some free stuff, you guys. So yeah, that's it for my video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that bell to be notified when I upload a video, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye guys.